Hey, good morning, good evening, good afternoon. This will be our first video for routing. And the purpose of these videos is to show you where you need to have your routing set. And we're going to go over this one step at a time. The first video here is going to deal with local inputs. If we come over to routing, and that's what that local means. That means your mixer. What you're looking at right now is the routing for the compact, the rack, the producer, the full desk. Replace local with your mixer. Okay, for me, that's X32 rack. That's what that means right there. Now, if you're not running a stage box, you can go here and you can pick up some inputs from your card. Other than that, that's what you're pretty well limited to. The aux ends, this routing right here will not affect your auxiliary inputs. So what that means is basically this. That's your XLR inputs. Your 1/4 inch inputs are actually controlled over here through your auxiliary FX. If we bring our routing back up and we look at the meter over here that says tape left, as you can see, it does not matter where I move my local routing or any of the 32 inputs. These are referring to your XLR inputs. You see where it says source. Here it has channel, and then it lists the channels that these blocks of 8 are going to control. So again, if you're just using the rack, the producer, the compact, anything basically but the full-size desk, even the core does not have any inputs. So it is strictly run off of the AS50A and B ports. But right now for local, this is truly all you need to have set to be able to get your input channel coming into these signals. Now, as you can see right here, I've got an SM58 plugged into channel number 1, and I'm getting signal no problem whatsoever. If I come back to routing and I move this local 1 through 8 anywhere, you will see that signal instantly drop out. So just remember that, guys. Let's take this step by step. Right now, this is truly all you need to know about your local input routing. Okay? Take care, God bless, and we are out of here.